This room was empty, cold, and forgotten. There was no comfort here, no sense of design, no life. It was just four walls and silence. But I knew that everything was about to change. I saw potential in this empty canvas, a vision for what it could become. The journey began with the foundation. We had to start from scratch, rebuilding and reinforcing, making sure every flaw was fixed. We tore out the old, worn-out flooring and brought in these beautiful, warm wooden floors. Instantly, you could feel the space coming back to life, the wood grain adding a natural, organic texture. Then came the centerpiece, the star of the show. This stunning marble wall. It's not just any marble. It's designed to glow with a soft, ambient light, creating a focal point that's both dramatic and soothing. It completely changed the atmosphere, adding a layer of luxury and sophistication I had only dreamed of. Every single element from this point on was chosen with incredible care. We layered in different sources of lighting to add warmth and create a cozy mood, recessed lights for overall brightness, and subtle accent lights to highlight the textures and details. Speaking of textures, we brought in soft fabrics, plush rugs, and rich textiles to add a deep sense of comfort and make the room feel inviting and touchable. And slowly, piece by piece, the room transformed. What was once an empty, forgotten space is now a sanctuary, a place of rest, beauty, and absolute peace. The silence is gone, replaced by a feeling of calm and contentment. This isn't just a bedroom anymore. It's a dream space brought to life, a testament to how little vision and a lot of passion can turn any room into a personal haven. Thank you so much for following along on this transformation journey. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more design stories.